What if I told you you've been seeing a four-dimensional shape your whole life without noticing? Let's talk about the tesseract, the 4D cousin of a cube. We live in 3D, so truly seeing a 4D object is impossible for us. But just like a shadow turns a 3D cube into a 2D square on a wall, a tesseract can cast a 3D shadow into our world. And that shadow looks like a cube inside a cube connected by lines. Here's the mind bender. Picture a point, stretch it and you get a line, that's 1D. Slide a line and you get a square, 2D. Lift a square and you get a cube, 3D. Now move a cube in a direction we can't point to, a fourth spatial direction, and you get a tesseract. We can't move that way, but math says it's as real as left, right, up, down, and forward, back. So where have you seen it? In movies, logos, and even in science visualizations. Architects use projections of higher dimensional shapes to design complex structures. In physics, higher dimensions show up in theories that try to unify forces, like string theory. Mathematicians use tesseracts to study symmetries and networks, and your brain already handles these projections. When you look at a cube drawing on paper, your mind reconstructs depth from a flat image. A tesseract model is the same trick, just one dimension up. Here's a neat experiment. Grab a small cube and a larger hollow cube or even two boxes. Put the small one inside the big one and connect the corners with sticks or strings. Spin it slowly. You'll see edges flip and faces seem to pass through each other. That weirdness is exactly what a 4D rotation looks like when it's squashed into 3D, the same way a turning cube can look like it changes shape in a 2D drawing. Even cooler, a tesseract has 8 cubic faces, 24 square faces, 32 edges, and 16 corners. A cube has 6 faces, but a tesseract has 8 cubes as faces. Our 3D house has rooms as cubes. A 4D house would have rooms that are entire cubes on the outside of a higher dimensional shape. And here's the brain flip. If a 4D being visited us, it could see inside closed boxes without opening them, the same way you can see all of a 2D drawing at once. It could even take a 3D knot and unknot it by lifting it through the 4th dimension. Mind blown? If you want more mind-bending facts about space, math, and the hidden dimensions around you, hit subscribe and comment if you want a part 2 on 4D physics. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every day.